What's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back. I am out here riding again for the first time in a long time. I am sorry about the break. I just lost motivation for riding, so in order to kick myself back into shape, I bought myself a drone, a DJI Mini 2. I'm just out here trying it for the first time in the wilderness. I'm a bit worried about crashing it into trees, so none of my shots are that adventurous yet. Today I'm in Park Canada, a 700-hectare national park just north of the Tel Aviv-Jerusalem highway, just by Latrun. The park contains lots of interesting plants and trees like pine trees and olive trees, pomegranate and almond trees. There are also lots of water features and archaeological sites dating back to the biblical times. But most importantly, there are some good views and some good riding. But I'm hoping this will be the start of me creating a bit more content for you guys and being out here riding a bit more, because I do love it. I just need to kick my own ass and get back out here again because it's just fantastic. I just stopped here by this war memorial just to catch a little bit at the beginning of the sunset, but I'm quite deep in the woods now and I don't really want to risk it being stuck here in darkness. So I'm going to pack up, have a drink of water and get back on the road. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for sticking with me during the break, and I will do my best to upload a bit more than once every like 4 or 5 months. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you're riding and staying safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.